in today's video, we are going to learn about the Stream API in Java. Actually, that is a new feature from Java 8. And so, in a simple word, if I make a sense, it is an alternate of the for loops. So, the Stream API is just a method to perform some operation on a sequence of element that can be from array, that can be from collection framework, or that can be from any data source. It means, and why if I come on a topic like why it is should be used over the for loop. So there are multiple reasons, like it is a memory efficient and simplicity, and they also we can achieve the parallelism uh, with the help of Stream APIs. So we will go through all the topics on the Stream API in this video. So let's get started. So the main objective of using Stream API is the memory efficiency. What happened when we use the for loop to access the element or to perform operation of element on array or any collection, then then the for loop make a copy of the whole array or the collection or the data source and then access it, but it's not a memory efficient way. So what should it be? It should put an element from an array, access it, and operation it whatever we want, and then put the updated value on the array or just do nothing, just access it. So here the Stream API can achieve this objective. So this is how the Stream API make the access of the element memory efficient. So it can basically the Stream API is also called the lazy approach, and because it do not store immediate result in memory, and operation are applied on the fly without creating a copy of data. We will see its example by the code in the upcoming minutes. The next function is its simplicity. Actually, whenever we need to access the data, it is not like that we are just going through the element of the data of the array or something like that. We need to in a real life problem, we need to perform multiple operation on that. So if we do not use the Stream API, we have to use the multiple operation that make our code very bad, and it does not look like professional as well. So Stream API make it simple because there is no need to use the multiple loops. It can be it allow the chaining of multiple operations or in a single pipeline, or you can say that it can do multiple operation in a single row. And the third and the most popular objective is the parallelism support. Stream offer built-in support for the parallelism. It means that we can access all the element of the array parallelly. So let's see an example of it. Okay. Now here I have already created a class for it. So Stream API is built in Java util package. So let's import it. Java util.stream, and for now let's use the star. It should be small as. Okay. Now uh, as I told you, we can use the Stream API with any collection framework with any array or any data source, let's for the simplicity, let's use the stream API on array and the array list. So first, let's make a string array and put some name like, okay, and take a one more, take a data source like a collection framework. We can use the array list of a string, so make it array list. Now to add the elements separately, let's uh, convert our array into array list. So arrays dot as list and give argument array. Now here to use the stream API, let's make the stream object of by using these data source. So if we first we talk about the array, so in array it is a static method called stream that take argument a array and return a stream object. So make a stream reference string array stream is equal to arrays dot stream and give argument array. Now here we have the stream object or stream. See, create an reference for our array list, and here we have the built-in function in the array list as stream. That is not a static, it's related to the object. Okay, now here we have the stream object of the array. Now there are multiple functions like suppose we want uh, to do some update operation on array, there are separate function. We just want to go through the array, there is a separate function. So for the in this video we are just going to take an overview of the stream API. So let's just go through and the iterate over the array. Not iterate, we are using the stream API. It does not iterate. It only took as I already told you, it only take one element from the array, execute it, and uh, then fine. Okay. So to use that, let's suppose if we L stream. Now here is a function for each. It take each element from the array and will perform operations or whatever you want. So it take uh, one element from the array. So that called variable name as name, and what it is going to do. Actually, here we are using the lambda function. You can watch my previous video. I can mention it over here. So let's system.out.println name. It is doing nothing. It is just simply printing the element of the array, but it is looking more professional in place of this. It is looking. We are using the three lines of code. You can say that three lines, but here it's look more professional as well as memory efficient. So here we should avoid uh, the for loop as a professional if you are want to be a professional in Java. Okay. So let's run it. Here we have the same result. As well as if I use the list stream, we have the same function name as well with the array list, and it will perform the same. You can say that, you can see that Deepak Arun Alex, Deepak Arun Alex. So for today, it is all enough. Then in the next video, we are going to discuss some another other functions that can be used with the Stream API. So for till that, bye bye.